Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the PlayStation Portal, an innovative interface designed for the PlayStation 5, offering a seamless portable and remote gaming experience. Let's explore if this device could be your gaming companion, allowing you to play anywhere, even when you're away from your console. The PlayStation Portal stands as a controller with an integrated display, retaining all the remarkable features of the DualSense. Boasting an 8-inch LCD screen, full HD resolution, and a 60Hz refresh rate, it delivers stellar visual performance, even for the most immersive PS5 games. This device supports high-quality stereo speakers and offers connectivity via a 3.5mm jack or Bluetooth for headphones. With a 280 mAh battery, it ensures extended playtime, though charging takes around 2.5 hours. To maximize the experience, a stable internet connection of at least 15 megabits per second is recommended for fully immersive gameplay. Our testing revealed a smooth and responsive gaming encounter. Leaving the PS5 in suspend mode enables quick access and remote play without noticeable delays. The integrated haptic feedback and adaptive triggers in the DualSense elevate the gaming experience. The PlayStation Portal hits the shelves on November 15th at a price of €219.99. Considering its impressive features and performance, it emerges as a fantastic solution for remote gaming on the PS5, offering top-tier functionalities and an enriching gaming journey. Taking the PlayStation Portal through its paces, we were particularly impressed with its adaptive touch-sensitive buttons, strategically placed around the display edges. These responsive controls not only mirror the functionality of the traditional DualSense, but also add an extra layer of intuitive interaction. Whether it's seamlessly navigating through menus or executing precise in-game maneuvers, the touch-sensitive buttons enhance the overall fluidity of the gaming experience. Additionally, the device's gyroscope and accelerometer contribute to its versatility, providing motion controls for compatible games, adding an immersive layer that transports players right into the heart of the action. As we delve into the world of the PlayStation Portal, it's crucial to note that early feedback from the gaming community has been overwhelmingly positive. Users have praised the device for its portability and convenience, especially for on-the-go gaming. Some have even highlighted the potential for local multiplayer experiences, as the PlayStation Portal can serve as a secondary screen, bringing innovative possibilities to gaming nights with friends. However, like any new technology, there are concerns about potential updates and optimizations. Stay tuned for firmware updates, as Sony has a track record of actively enhancing their products based on user feedback, promising an even more refined gaming experience in the future. What are your thoughts on the PlayStation Portal? Share your views in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.